In this video, we will be adding masks and visibility rules to our form. Masks ensure that data is entered in a specific format, making it easier to fill out the field and reducing the chance of errors. We have 4 fields with this characteristic in our form: SSN, EIN, phone, and zip code. Open the properties of the SSN field and, under Values, enter the standard document format in the mask. Remember to use only zeros. Repeat the same procedure for the other fields, changing only the formats. Visibility rules allow us to determine which fields will be displayed on the screen based on user responses. This makes our application more organized and focused. In this form, visibility rules will work as follows. If the user selects individual in customer type, the SSN, gender, and birth date fields will be displayed. However, if they select entity, the EIN field will be displayed instead of these fields. In the properties of the SSN field, under Behavior, click to add a visibility rule. In Name, enter Individual. Select Radio for type and enter Individual again for value. Click Save and set the radio button, Customer Type, as the parameter. The rule will be saved for you to use again. Add it to the gender and birth date fields. Repeat the same process to create the second rule for the EIN field, entering entity in both name and value. We can also hide a field from the screen while still automatically collecting data from it. This will happen in the Registered On field, which will collect the date and time of the customer registration confirmation. To do this, check the Current Date Time checkbox. To hide the field, uncheck the Visible checkbox under Behavior. Save and run the form. Select both possible answers in Customer Type and test the masks and visibility rules. In the next video, we will style our form using CSS. Don't miss it. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Builder, check out our other tutorials on YouTube. You can also reach out to us through our social media channels. Check the links in the video description.